Friends, I finally bit the bullet and got myself the Dyson Airwrap. I'm going to show you how I did my hair and let you guys know my thoughts on it and if it was worth the purchase. There are 6 attachments in here and also bonus a comb. I have naturally wavy frizzy hair, so I hate doing my hair. It takes so much time, so much effort, and I'm also lazy. I wanted to see if the Dyson was worth the purchase. I did my hair with one tool. I did not know how to use it, but I'm going to show you how I did it. If you want to see how it went from here to here, and keep watching. I finally did it. I finally made the purchase of getting the Dyson. This is the Dyson Airwrap, the complete set. It's super duper heavy. I figured it's time to just finally invest into this Dyson hair set to not be lazy and do my hair. So little backstory is that I'm actually a hairstylist. I've been a hairstylist licensed for over 22 years. I've been actually doing hair since I was in middle school. Not that I knew I was going to be a hairstylist, but my brother asked me to cut his hair and fade it one day in middle school. I might have been in elementary, but I decided that, hey, if you trust me, I'm going to do it. And let's open this up together. Okay, I believe I got the limited edition. This thing costs $600 plus tax. It's a lot of money. Let's open it. Okay, let's see. I'm going to open it up for you guys. And you guys can tell my hair is naturally wavy. The beauty right here that costs so much money. Oh, okay. The cover, it comes with the mothership right here where everything attaches to. So I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna test it. There we go, it works. Let's start with the attachments. I have no idea what this does. We'll figure it out together. Here are 2 attachments. I don't know which one does what, but there you go. Look at this bright blue. It is just so beautiful. Okay, here is a round brush attachment to give your hair a little bit of a curve and volume. It also comes with a comb. Let's comb my hair. Oh, this is super wide tooth. I love it. To kind of prep the hair. It's very nice. This is probably the widest tooth comb I've seen. There are 2 more attachments that I forgot to share. These are the ones that I think curl your hair, so very excited to use these. I want kind of that wave in my hair, not my natural wave. You guys see it's like super frizzy and froey, so I cannot air dry my hair and go out because it does not look cute. I love that it comes in this big box so I can have everything organized inside. I mean, it's just very nice and beautiful. I'm gonna put the attachments inside so I can see where everything is. There we go. Here's my Y2 comb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, 6 attachments, and the main mothership. So I guess it's kind of worth, if you think about each tool, about $100. I guess that maybe makes sense for the $600 purchase, but let's give it a try. Before we start, I'm going to prep my hair. I'm going to use the Olaplex hair serum. This is the number 9. I think I have a little bit left. Okay, I do. Just a little bit. And my hair is slightly damp, but it's almost semi-dry. I would say about 80%, 70-80% dry. But I want to put the hair serum in to kind of protect it from the heat. I'm going to just like let it come through, and then I'm going to use the comb. Just comb it through. My hair is about, I guess, shoulder, a little bit past my shoulder. Not quite the armpit yet, but I feel like this would be a great tool to just kind of really just motivate me to do my hair and look a little bit stylish for the rest of the year. I'm telling you, I'm the laziest hairstylist that's around for my own hair. I'm going to clip my hair, put it up more than half up, half down. So I have this hair. So it also comes with these instructions right here and a QR code on this side where it kind of gives you education on the tools and how to use it. For the pre-styling on the curling, it says I need to have my hair almost dry. So, should we try it? Do the smaller barrel right here. Oh man, I hope I can get this right. And it has a lock button, and we're gonna lock it. They have different speeds right here. They have different speeds right here, and then the heat level, on and on button. Oh, Okay. Nice. Ooh. Okay, it's working. Wow. There's Luna in the back. She's so nervous. Whoa. Okay. Do this section. Ooh. Pull it down. Okay. Ooh, look at that. I didn't even have to hold my hair and it just like wrapped it by itself. Okay, I'm gonna try the other. Turn it back on. Let it do its thing. Let it cool down. Release. Ooh, that's cute. Release. Quite impressed. I think I might be missing a few pieces of hair. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do the next section. Wow, this is a lot easier than I thought. This is kind of nice. Another story as well. So during COVID, I completely just kind of decided to stop practicing as a hairstylist because we were the last industry to go back to work. And honestly, I was pregnant as well, and wearing a mask the whole time and being with your clients, it was just a lot more effort. And I realized like, and then I realized I just don't want to do this right now. I'm gonna just make videos for you guys. And I focused most of my attention on Instagram, and that just really helped me grow. And just, I found so much more like flexibility and just time to be with my family, especially with the newborn, to be able to do that. And then I didn't really have any other desire to go back. I do have clients here and there that are like my private or like my celebrity clients that I'll do every blue moon, but honestly, I never thought I could work from home, especially being a hairstylist for over 22 years, standing nonstop all day, every day. My back, my body was aching, and I'm like, I do not want to work like this forever. Let's get back to hairstyling. Pull it down. Ooh. Yes. This is amazing, guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Pulling it down. Oh. So shocked. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole hair. I think I'll do everything until the front so that you guys can kind of get a little bit sped up tutorial. Pull it down. Oh, it's like Goldilocks. Okay, I just figured you can turn the direction. So I was doing it all the same direction. I'm going to try this side. Let's see. Okay. I am loving this. This is like so beautiful, voluminous. Okay, so now I have this mohawk section that I'm going to do. I'm going to do it little by little. Look at all that curl. I mean, I definitely could do a much better job, I think, when I am focused and not filming on camera. But I think I'm quite impressed by this. I mean, the curls are voluminous. Volume, I feel like volume's coming back. And just like this glamorous look is just so beautiful. Getting so sunny on one corner. But man, what do you guys think? I am so impressed for half-assing this whole Dyson process. So I feel like if I focus, it's just gonna look that much better. And also not knowing how to do it for the first time, and I'm just kind of learning as I'm going. I have so much volume, it's beautiful. And I think if I focus, I can really make this hairstyle just really glamorous. Like, look at all that volume. It's just gorgeous. I'm going to add some color wow so it just kind of tames the flyaways. And I'm just gonna put a few pop and lock high gloss finish. I love this stuff. I like to just put in my hands and then first kind of just focus on the mid to ends, and then the leftover just kind of glide it onto the roots. Just have a little bit more control on the hair. Like it literally puts away all your little flyaways, gives you a lot more control of the hair. Wow. I feel like I need to go on a date tonight. A date with my honey, date with my babies. I mean, this is so beautiful. Feeling much more fresh versus my natural curls. Like this is just good. First impression, I'm impressed by this one tool. I'm definitely gonna try out the other attachments and see how they work on my hair, but what do you guys think? This is so good. And I have to like put it close to my roots, and it gave me so much volume. And I didn't really follow the directions like I should have. So for first time effort, gives it a thumbs up. Maybe I'll do a better tutorial because this is my first time trying it. The question so far, is it worth $600? So far, if I were to use it all the time, I do think it's worth it. And I do feel like that much better after doing my hair. I feel like I went to the salon, and yeah, this is great. I'm loving it. The only negative thing I heard about having a Dyson is if you travel across the country, you cannot plug this in other countries. So this is a US made Dyson for the US outlet. So that kind of sucks. If I want to travel, I want to look good, I can't take this along with me. So that's a negative for me, but otherwise, I'll be having glamorous hair in most of my videos. I'll try my best not to pull my hair back unless it's like a skincare video, but ooh, feeling so good. I hope this tutorial / video was helpful for you guys, especially if you're a first time buyer like I am. I'll create another video when I'm more familiar with the tool to teach you how to use it correctly. But even if you don't, I mean, you can get glamorous, voluminous hair without putting an iron to it, and you have volume. Amazing. I'm down. This is so good. If you have a Dyson, let me know which attachment is your favorite, what you use, how often you use it. If you have another tool that you love instead of this one, comment below. If you want to see more hair tutorials, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.